a story about the fox and the goat. In a faraway jungle, the rivers and streams have dried out by the wildfire. Everyone left is outfit to drink. The animals ran to the nearest village to find some water and food. One day, a thirsty fox tried to finding water to drink, but he couldn't find a single drop of water. He walking, but suddenly, wow, look what we have here. The fox saw the well and walked towards. The fox was his dead hand to drink the water from the well, but the fox fell to the well with a splash. Help me! Help me! The fox said to find somebody to help him. The next morning, the fox heard someone asking, "Why are you down, Mr. Fox?" asking some looking innocent goat. "Oh, I was trying to drink as much water from this well. This is the finest water in my whole life," said the fox cunningly. "Oh, my dear, why don't you try it?" The goat fell out to jump into the well, and the goat asked, "How do we get up here, Mr. Fox?" "I have an excellent idea," said the fox. "You stand with your heels, and I will climb on your strong hand. And when I am up here, I will help you too." The goat followed the instructions from the fox, and when the fox up, the fox ran away. Before running away, the fox said, "Have you been interested now? You will be there without now how do we get up here?" Poor goats were stuck in the well. The story teaches us to think first before doing something, and we have to know what the bad one and the good one is in the specific to do. Wassalam. Have you get fun of my story? Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.